Today is a very, very special day. Today is the equivalent of Christmas, not because we're unboxing an iPhone, no. It's because we're unboxing not one, but two Apple silicone phone cases, and I'm so excited. Let's unbox these, okay? Hello Internet, how are you doing today? My name is Brian, if you are new here, and today, like I said, we're going to be unboxing Apple silicone phone cases.
I can't see!
The brand new Aquamarine phone case that just launched this past week. And we also have the Ultramarine phone case. This phone case I've been wanting since September, okay? Because Apple released the most perfect iPhone color to ever exist, Ultramarine, on the iPhone 16 Plus. And unfortunately, I am a Pro Max and I had an iPhone 16 Pro Max. I cannot do the Plus phones because the 60 hertz just gives me a rash that makes me vomit. But they did release an Apple silicone phone case that is the exact shade that I love so much. So I finally have this case to unbox, but I decided that I wanted to spend lots of money, so I bought two phone cases at the same time. Please subscribe to my channel. I desperately need money. As you can tell, we are on the floor again, and the reason why we're on the floor again is because this video is literally not meant to be taken seriously, okay? I am sitting on the floor right now yapping about some phone cases that cost way too much freaking money and vibing with you guys, so there's no reason to take this video so seriously. Anyways, we need to get into it, okay? I think I'm actually going to open up the Ultramarine phone case for you guys first. This is how the box looks. This is how the back of the box looks. Very simple. This is probably the most aesthetically pleasing phone case box I've ever seen. I want to keep this phone case box until the day I die, which I'm probably not going to do. And then we are going to, that was pretty satisfying, not gonna lie. Open this up like this, put it down like this way. How does it look, guys? How does it look? That is beautiful. This is such a beautiful color. I love this. We have paperwork that literally no one reads, and then just an empty box. Let's peel this phone case off the box. Let's take it off like this. Wow, she is beautiful. She is gorgeous. I am honestly obsessed. This is great. The best thing about this phone case though for the iPhone 16, the fact that it has the camera control button covered, is unfortunate with all the other iPhone 16 cases, they all have the camera control button exposed. So here it is. Here's how it looks. It is beautiful. This is such a beautiful phone case color. I absolutely love it. Let's give it time to shine. And now let's put it on our phone. Honestly, guys, whenever I did what's on my iPhone 16, I made this theme specifically for this phone case because it's beautiful. So we're going to shove her in here. Oh, no, girl. So we're going to shove you in here.
Why is there no animation?
Girl, I need to take this out of the case. Hold on. So we're going to put you back. Get your ass on. Ooh, we need to freaking hear the sound. Oh, that sound, I miss that sound so much. So here it is. Here is the Ultramarine on the iPhone 16 Pro Max in black titanium. This is beautiful. This is such a beautiful case. I am obsessed with it. Look at that. That is absolutely gorgeous. And there is a camera control button. So I actually do have access to the camera control. And I can instantly get into it and actually use and manipulate the camera control, which is pretty cool. This phone case literally fits the iPhone theme on my phone right now so well. This is me as a phone case, okay? This is me as a phone case. But we have one more phone case to unbox, so let's just give Ultramarine one more time to shine before we unbox her sister. Let's unbox now Aquamarine. But I actually have two guests with me today. I have the iPhone 14 Pro Max Succlent case and then the iPhone 15 Pro Max Soft Mint case. The reason why I have these two cases is because Aquamarine is their distant cousin. As you can see, they're very, very similar shades. So I'm going to be comparing this phone case to these two phone cases. So here's the Aquamarine box. There's a little bit of a different text at the bottom. It says now MagSafe and camera control. I guess to let everyone know that camera control and MagSafe are protected on this case. And let's open this up for the first time and see what Aquamarine looks like. That was nice and satisfying. So let's open her up. Here's how it looks. See how it looks first. That literally is soft mint, guys. What? Oh, wait a minute. Wait, actually it's a little bit different. No, they're different shades. Okay, they are all different shades. This is basically soft mint, but it's a little bit lighter, so it's kind of interesting. It's a little bit of a different green shade, that's what I would say. Anyways, let's take it off. Here it is. This is Aquamarine. This is a beautiful color. I love it so much. And again, there is that camera control button completely covered, which is nice. And here it is. Here's a beautiful luxurious carpet that's inside of it. But yeah, here is Aquamarine. So I want to compare this to Soft Mint and I want to compare it to Succlent. So here is it compared to Soft Mint last year. This is how they look. This is more of a deeper green, I would say, versus this one. This is more of a white, and this is more of a deeper green. Or this is Succlent versus it. And I would say this is probably, if I were to like rate these all in order, Aquamarine is in the middle of these three. I would say it's the middle color. It's similar. It's darker, but not too dark. It's definitely darker than Soft Mint, but it's still pretty similar and it's not exactly the same as Succlent. So here it is. Here is Aquamarine, and let's put it on my iPhone. Put you directly on my phone. What? I'm a little bit disappointed.
Wow.
Apple. How was that? Let's put this on. That sucked. Apple. What do you mean? That actually kind of annoys me a little bit. But here's how it looks on the iPhone. It looks really good on the black iPhone. That looks gorgeous on this iPhone. And here's how that looks. Here's how this looks. And again, you have access to the camera control. But I am a little bit upset that there was no actual animation. Usually the MagSafe animation is matched to the color of the case. This one didn't have that, and that makes me a little bit upset. So here it is. Here is Aquamarine on my phone, and that is beautiful. This is definitely a beautiful phone case. So let's give her a moment to shine. So here they are both together. Here, of course, is Ultramarine, and here's Aquamarine, the two marine sisters right here. And I definitely have to say Ultramarine is my favorite. I absolutely adore Aquamarine. It is gorgeous. But I would say for my current aesthetic right now, I definitely say I have to rock the Ultramarine right here because this is just so beautiful. I kind of wish I got another one of the spring colors, but honestly, to me, I didn't like any of their spring colors. So I will definitely let you guys know which one is my favorite, but I would definitely say for right now, probably this one. I'm going to be using both of these. I'm going to be swapping off with both of these all the time. I absolutely love Apple Silicone phone cases because carpet in the inside is so luxurious, the MagSafe in there, the fact that they have the camera control completely covered, the fact that it is beautifully formed to your iPhone. It is gorgeous. So here are my two Apple Silicone phone cases, and I'm obsessed. I'm absolutely obsessed with them. I also just wanted to do a comparison versus the box. We have the box of Aquamarine versus the actual Aquamarine. As you can see right there, there definitely is a difference. These are pretty spot on. I would say this is probably the most spot on here. They're almost identical. All right, guys, that was it for my Apple Silicone phone case unboxing. Let me know which one of these is your favorite. Like I said, this one definitely has to be my favorite so far. Let me know which of the new spring phone case colors you like the best because this is definitely one of my favorites, but there was a whole bunch of new ones that they also released as well. Here they both are for you guys, and I love both of them. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you did enjoy, be sure to hit that button down below and subscribe and click the notification bell to get notifications on whenever I upload a video next. You can also follow me on all the social medias. Links are gonna be down in the description down below and also right here. I shall see you guys in the next one. Have a great day. Bye. I'm kind of literally a freaking psychopath. Like, I literally have pretty much the same exact phone case for 3 different generations of iPhone. I bought 2 $50 phone cases at the same time. If y'all don't think I'm an Apple sheep, literally open your eyes. I am literally the personification of an Apple sheep. Like, yeah, I have a Google Pixel as well, but I'm an Apple sheep. Don't get it twisted.